In this lesson, we are going to understand particles. Particles are used for creating different types of visual effects, but here we will focus on them for motion graphic purpose only. We are going to use built-in particles of After Effects. There are several third-party plugins available for it, which gives us awesome particles and a lot of controls for that. Trapcode and Video Copilot are nice examples of this. So let's begin. First, we have to create a background for it. So create a layer solid, go to Effect, Generate, Gradient Ramp. Let's change it to Radial Ramp. Now change start and end colors so that it will have a nice background for us. Alright, just lock it. Now to create particles, we need to create a solid layer, no matter what is color of it. Go to Effect, Simulation, and choose CC Particle World. It will just eliminate the background color and will generate the particles in 3D space. The grid is only for reference, it will not be rendered. If we play it, it will generate particles continuously. And here in the center, this red circle is known as generator because it emits the particles, and these are known as particles. In Effects Control panel, we have options to manipulate it. Let's go inside of Particle Options, and in this drop-down menu, you will get many particle types. Just change them, and you will get different types of particles on the screen. Let's change it to Lens Convex. Now it will animate something like this. If we increase burst size, particle size will grow from the start point of the emission, and that size decides the size of particles when they are dying. I mean, when particles come to the bottom, they die, as you can see here. So by increasing dust size, we can increase particle size on the end point. Let me undo it. Size variation option will change sizes of particles in random way. So just use these options and you will get change on the screen. Now let's check producer settings, that is emitter. Here we will get transformation settings. You can change its position along any axis, and you can also scale particles in 3D space. And we will get new animation pattern. But these particles are continuously falling from upper side with high speed. We can control it by Physics tab. Just set gravity to 0. Now if we play it, particles will not fall. They will just fly like a star field. Let's bring down its velocity. And particles' speed will become slow. I want it to feel nearly static, so 0.01 will be sufficient. It's fine, but we have to increase its radius on both x and y axis so that particles will scatter on whole screen. Let's preview it. Fine. By increasing birth rate, we can increase number of particles. Now we have huge amount of particles on the screen. But in the beginning, we have blank screen, and then particles start to emit. I don't want it. I want to start animation from this frame when particles are already on the screen. So trim it and shift the layer. It's okay now. Collapse all these tabs and let's work on particles again. Let's reduce particle size a bit. Looking good. Let's go inside of Physics tab, and here we have animation type. Let's change it to trail. Let's check it. Animation pattern will be changed. Select the layer, open opacity property, and let's bring down its opacity. It's good. Let's decrease birth rate so that we will have less particles on the screen. So we have made cool animated background. Now let's collapse this Physics tab and expand particles. and change particle type to shaded sphere. It will enable these color options. Let's use this eyedropper tool and change particles color same as of the background color. It will give us new effect. Let's change particle type to bubble. Particles are getting merged with the background because its opacity is 50%. Let's check it. So what I'm trying to say, it's not the end. It has no limit. You just need to work and spend some time on it for getting confidence over particles. In next section, we will learn about concept of 3D.